The Aluminium Stewardship Initiative has a mission to foster the responsible production, sourcing, and stewardship of aluminium. The ASI Certification program was launched in 2017, and almost 200 ASI certifications have been issued so far against ASI's Performance Standard and Chain of Custody Standard. Over the past 3 years, building on implementation experience, feedback from members and auditors, as well as inputs from experts during 2 public consultations, ASI has revised its 2 standards. The revised standards, supporting guidance documents, assurance manual, claims guide, and new glossary were formally launched on May 19, 2022. The Performance Standard is aligning with the London Metal Exchange responsible sourcing requirements to exercise risk-based due diligence over aluminium supply chains, in accordance with the OECD Due Diligence Guidance of minerals from conflict-affected and high-risk areas. This will support all ASI members to meet stakeholder expectations on mineral supply chain due diligence. The minimum elements of such due diligence are outlined in the revised Criterion 9.8 in a stepwise approach drawn from the OECD guidance. Step 1. The establishment of strong management systems. Step 2. The identification and assessment of supply chain risks. Step 3. Design and implementation of a strategy to respond to risks. Step 4. Auditing of due diligence practices. Step 5. Annual reporting on supply chain due diligence. Pending review and approval by LME of the ASI Performance Standard as a recognized alignment-assessed standard, certification would fulfill one part of the requirement for LME-listed brands through its Track A process. The other elements of the LME Responsible Sourcing requirements are the maintenance of an ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification or equivalent and an ISO 45001 or OSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification or equivalent. The ASI Performance Standard also calls for such systems to be implemented under its Criteria 2.3 Environmental and Social Management Systems and 11.1 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Pending review and approval by LME of the ASI Performance Standard as an equivalent certification program, ASI Performance Standard certification would fulfill the LME ISO requirements. This equivalency is due to be achieved by June 2023. For LME brands, the first reporting deadlines for the LME's responsible sourcing requirement begin on 30th of June 2022, and all aspects of the requirements will be fully embedded by 31st of December 2023. Deadlines for ASI entities that are not LME listed brands will follow the normal performance standard rollout schedule. If you have any questions about the 2022 standards, hop on our website and go to the help desk. We've got a section with more details. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can contact us.